Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Many people want to achieve more in life than just financial security, and they want to be wealthy, whether they do it by starting their own company, rising to leadership positions, or making wise financial decisions. Although you might believe that becoming wealthy is an impossibility, anyone can do it. To achieve that desire or objective, you must have certain skills. In this video, we'll talk about the 15 traits you need to be rich. Number 1. Making good investments. If you want to become wealthy, you must be able to make wise investments, because doing so will enable you to build your money quietly and continuously, while concentrating on other tasks. Making the choices required for smart investing, however, can be difficult. Fortunately, it is possible to acquire effective investment techniques. There are numerous internet resources that can educate you, aid in the growth of your money, and eventually assist in you becoming the owner of your own home. Number 2. Making decisions. You must have the ability to act quickly and favorably if you want to become wealthy in your lifetime. If you hesitate before making a decision that will have a significant impact on your business or an investment, you risk missing out on the opportunity once you have made up your mind. Additionally, you must have sufficient knowledge of your investments and sector to consistently make the appropriate choices. Number 3. Motivation. You can never become wealthy by passively waiting for opportunities to present themselves. Instead, you must take the initiative and continuously strive toward achieving your desired level of wealth. You must be highly motivated to accomplish this, since it will enable you to go forward and maintain your focus. Without motivation, you will discover that you give up more easily and that your goals are abandoned. Make sure you get enough rest, eat and drink, take frequent breaks, set reasonable goals, and think more positively in order to enhance your motivation. There are many setbacks along the path to wealth. This journey might not be right for you if you depend on the approval of others to motivate you. Since you're on your own, you must be able to inspire yourself to go over any mental barriers that prevent you from succeeding. Number 4. Excellent communication. The majority of millionaires share one ability in particular: excellent communication. Excellent communication abilities can help you persuade people to work with you, invest in your business, or provide you with the connections you need to get wealthy rapidly. Make sure you can clearly express yourself both orally and in writing, and that you can maintain your composure when speaking in front of an audience. This can therefore guarantee that you have audiences in the palm of your hand, which is crucial if you want to become wealthy by creating and selling novel things. You should practice speaking as much as you can, ask for feedback from others, observe others, and analyze what makes their communication so interesting, and make sure you have the opportunity to practice listening as well. Number 5. The capacity for lifelong learning. You might discover that you are unable to keep up with the world and how it is evolving if you are not always willing to learn new things, which can impede your attempts to succeed financially. Therefore, continuing your education is crucial if you want to make wise financial decisions and run a cutting-edge company. Number 6. Willpower. You can learn to have willpower, despite the fact that you might not think it, and it is essential for everyone who wants to succeed financially. Willpower is crucial since it will keep you from wasting your money on unnecessary expenses and goes hand in hand with resilience, which will stop you from giving up at the first obstacle, such as when you face a challenge that initially seems insurmountable. Your long-term goals may be harmed by decisions that lead to instant gratification, but willpower will equip you with the tools you need to keep moving forward. By praising yourself frequently, keeping temptations out of sight and mind, and visualizing what you desire, you may strengthen your willpower. Number 7. Confidence. You need confidence if you want to become as wealthy as you have always imagined. You may believe in your abilities to launch your own business, receive the promotion you've always wanted, and network with people who could be crucial to your success in the future with the support of confidence. To become wealthy, you must have faith in your abilities. focusing on your accomplishments and talents, forming relationships with upbeat people, and taking care of your body and health by eating a balanced diet and exercising frequently are all ways to increase your confidence. Number 8, organization. Being as organized as you can be is essential if you want to become wealthy, since it will enable you to manage key paperwork, stay on top of deadlines, and monitor your financial condition. You should maintain your workspace neat, record vital information in a location that is easy to find, focus on finishing one activity at a time, and list your daily priorities if you want to become more organized. Number 9, discipline. Success is a marathon, not a sprint, and it comes to those who can put one foot in front of the other, despite difficulties in their path. You won't likely achieve your objectives if you lack the discipline to remain committed to your vision. With discipline, you'll complete the things that are most crucial to achieving your long-term objectives before getting sidetracked by anything else. It implies that you make a daily commitment to reducing the gap between your reality and your goal. Number 10, emotional awareness. Making money doesn't involve memorization of theories or formulas. Rather, it involves understanding how people think and what they need and want in order to fill the gaps. As a result, emotional intelligence is a valuable tool in both work and daily life. Being wealthy is not about memorizing facts. Rather, it is about making real-world connections and figuring out how to capitalize on your ideas by starting a business. Number 11, retaining attention. Nowadays, it's nearly impossible to focus due to technology. It can be challenging to focus on your goals instead of other enjoyable pursuits that feel wonderful at the time because there are so many enjoyable distractions available. If you go after every transient item, you're setting yourself up for a life of mediocrity. Number 12, play the long game. We frequently make decisions that will have an immediate influence on our lives. For example, we study because we have an exam the following week and go to bed early to wake up feeling rested. But if we want to be successful in the long run, we need to put in a lot of effort now. Even though 10 years may seem far away right now, time goes by far more quickly than we anticipate. Therefore, act today to achieve success later. Number 13, how to sell. Selling is primarily about persuasive reasoning. If you want to succeed, you must engage in it. Selling is about demonstrating that what you're giving is valuable enough to be exchanged for cash. People will exchange their cash for items they deem to be more valuable than the cash they will need to spend. Number 14, reading. Those who are successful read a lot. They can obtain information on a variety of topics in a few days or weeks, so it works for them. So seek out information that supports your objectives. Number 15, financial management. How will you handle large amounts of riches if you can't handle little amounts of money? The capacity to set aside money for a budget, make wise financial judgments, and spend reasonably is one of the most impressive abilities that wealthy individuals possess. Once you have mastered these crucial skills, you can begin earning the money you need to support yourself throughout your life. There are plenty of individuals in the world who desire wealth, but relatively few are prepared to put in the necessary effort. Because there are no shortcuts, becoming wealthy mostly depends on your abilities and mindset. It also rarely occurs suddenly. There isn't a push button for instant wealth, but you can increase your chances of being wealthy by working on certain talents. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.